Welcome to my world. Deep cleaning these fans today. My husband's going to show you how we do them. You need to deep clean them every so often. If you're new, thank you so much for dropping by and checking me out and clicking on my link. This is Let Us Eat. I'm Suzanne Ridgway. Look for that subscribe word and smash on it. We have a Clean With Me players list with decluttering and deep cleaning videos. We're doing fall cleaning right now, so in the fall time I can enjoy all of the festivities. As in the springtime, I do my spring cleaning in February, so I can enjoy the nicer weather. Don't forget to tap on that bell. My husband's going to walk you through everything. Let's get started. My husband's going to take apart the fan and he's going to tell you what he's doing.
Yep. For the most part, I'm going to take apart 2, 3, 6 screws that were with a Phillips head screwdriver.
How often do we do this?
Once every few months.
That's to keep them well maintained and clean. You don't want to breathe dirty, dusty air.
Since fans are run most of the time.
They take a beating as well, as you see.
Yeah,
we sleep with our fans on, even with the air conditioning. I need the fan. Can you close that curtain? There we go.
I'm going to be using the window to fan away. Oh, where is it? This is all you need to do. Go out the window and that's that. That's all you need.
No liquids on the fan grates because they could get into the circuitry. My husband brought up a good point.
Hey, perfect. You can see the little dust here. And then just wipe the blades down little by little each side.
We've been doing our fall cleaning. The bedroom back here needs it next. One of these days everything's going to come out and be scrubbed.
Okay. This side's done. Next.
You take the grates off of both sides. He's going to put the screws back into one side and then flip it over and take care of the opposite side, repeating the process. This is a good idea to do every few months, or even if you just do it during your fall and spring cleaning. You don't want to be breathing in dust. And the fans will last longer and run smoother. When the air conditioner is down, I like to keep my box fan in my window until it's too cold out.
Not going in. Whenever rescrewing in screws, never tighten them one at a time all the way. You put them in partially and then you tighten them crisscross.
Will it strip it if you do it like that?
No, but it's same thing with like a tire. And we go to here. And then here. And then here. And then you do it once around, one at a time. Side one's done. And we're done now. Okay. Now, the more difficult side.
On to the opposite side. Look how gross it is. See if I can give you a close-up. And adjust the camera here. Look how dirty that is. It's been about a couple months, he said. It'll probably help with the sinuses too. We should look into getting an air purifier to put out somewhere in the house. Be careful where you put your screws down so they don't get misplaced. And there's 6 in all, you said?
In this particular fan, there's 6. 2 top, 2 bottom, 1 each on the side. Now this one's a little more tricky because this particular side, has the motor. And this is where you gotta be careful. Each fan blade.
In just a few minutes of your time, you maintain your fans, and you can save yourself money by not replacing them all the time.
The key is keep that motor free, or if you have a computer keyboard blower, that would work too.
Dollar Tree has those things where you can blow on the keyboards and electronic devices to clean them, usually in the back to school section or electronics, and it will blow all the dust out of the motor. They work great for your digital cameras too when you're cleaning them.
Okay, done. Not too hard or you'll break it. And then we'll do both sides. Yeah, outer side will have more dust on it. And that's just physics and science.
And there's dust particles blowing in the kitchen. I'll be mopping the floor tomorrow. I don't think you can see them on this camera.
Be prepared to sneeze sometimes. It's a possibility.
Yeah, if you sneeze around dust, be forewarned. It depends on how dusty. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and I do a get it all done video, so we'll be cleaning the kitchen. I'll be cleaning the kitchen in the morning before everyone's up. Gotta put all of them back. Take a look at this fan, and then when he's done with it, we're gonna turn it on so you can hear it. The fan he just did sounds wonderful.
Yeah, this is different. It's a little bit different. Basically close, but
the on and off button's on the back part where the motor is. It's not on the top, I don't think. Is it a top turn on or a side turn on? Okay, it's a side turn on. We had another fan, and it started walking at night, and it would walk everywhere and fall over. Wake up in the middle of the night wondering what the bang was, like when your posters fell when you were a teenager. My John Bon Jovi one that was the size of my door fell once in the middle of the night, scared the crap out of my mom and me. It was now it's hilarious, but back then it was scary. If you ever had a poster fall on you in the middle of the night.
This one's not nearly as bad as the other one. Very different.
There is the inside of it. Always be careful around the motor.
Yeah, there's not really that much on this one at all.
Wonderful.
This one's a lot easier to see. This one's an easy peasy. Much easier.
Make sure they're all lined up.
Yeah, this one's a little more trickier.
How many screws in this one?
6.
6. So it's a removable plug on this fan, which I never knew before. I've even heard of such a thing, except for your phones. Here it is, and we'll attach it back. We're doing the opposite side now. They keep threatening rain, but we keep not getting it, or we get like a tiny shower and not a thunderstorm. But I can smell rain in the air. I'm not sure if we're getting any in the next day or so. We need a lot of rain after all these 90-degree days we had this summer. We had a 22. We broke a record in the Albany area in upstate New York. Yesterday was horrendous. Adjusting the camera. Now to the opposite side.
Yeah, it'll be the same thing. Very light. Not as bad as the other ones. Like these right here. It won't go anywhere.
This one's going a lot faster. We're already on the second side. I got the last screw coming out. Adjusting the camera. Wipe it dry, no liquid. You don't want to damage the motor. We're going to be getting another box fan for our college kids. They don't allow air conditioners because utilities are included within the dorm room. Looks brand new. We've had this fan for quite a while, a couple of years now. Take care of your things because prices keep going up and you don't want to have to waste money on something that you have, so maintain it and keep it clean. When the air conditioners come out, probably at the end of September, we're going to do a window cleaning video where I'll retract all my windows, upper and lower, and clean the windows for the winter. I do them right before winter and I do them right before spring, twice a year. And I do small cleans in between.
The top.
And beer bottles, like the Van Halen Hot for Teachers video. We're getting it turned on. Oh, big difference.
2, 3.
Oh, yeah, big difference. Both of them. Awesome job, honey.